Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best knitting yarn is probably one of the most versatile and accessible crafting materials available today, offering a tactile and rewarding experience for creators of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned artisan looking to embark on a new project or a complete novice eager to learn the satisfying rhythm of knitting, selecting the right yarn can significantly impact your finished product and overall enjoyment. This guide is designed to demystify the world of knitting yarns, helping you navigate the various types, fibers, and weights to find the perfect match for your beginner-friendly creations and ensure a smooth, enjoyable journey into the wonderful world of yarn crafts. Number 5. Lion brand yarn feels like Butta soft crochet yarn. Experience the velvety texture that lives up to its name. This yarn glides smoothly, creating projects with a soft, touchable finish. This medium weight yarn is ideal for both knitting and crochet. It's perfect for garments, scarves, and home decor that feel as good as they look. Enjoy convenience with this machine washable and dryable yarn. It's also OEKOTX standard certified for tested product safety. Achieve beautiful, even stitches with this yarn. It's ideal for projects where a smooth texture and consistent stitch definition make a difference. Crafted by a brand trusted for generations, this yarn is perfect for all your creative endeavors. Consider purchasing multiple skeins for larger projects to ensure color consistency. What we like. This yarn is incredibly soft, making it perfect for baby blankets and cuddly toys. Its buttery texture glides smoothly, ensuring a comfortable crafting experience. If you are looking for a yarn that feels luxurious and is safe for sensitive skin, this is the one for you. What people say. The yarn is soft and easy to work with, making it perfect for beginners. It has a good weight and texture that holds stitches well, preventing splitting. The colors are vibrant and consistent, which is great for creating visually appealing projects. Number 4. Mira HandCrafts 12 Acrylic Yarn Skeins Kit. Unleash your creativity with this beginner-friendly kit. It includes 12 skeins of premium acrylic yarn, offering a total of 1,312 yards in a variety of bright colors. Crafted from 100% acrylic, this yarn is both soft and sturdy. It's perfect for creating vibrant projects that remain beautiful even after washing. Enjoy long-lasting brilliance with yarn that's easy to care for. It's machine washable, ensuring your creations stay vibrant and beautiful. This versatile yarn is ideal for crafters of all ages. It's perfect for amigurumi, plushies, scarves, blankets, and thoughtful gifts. Experience the perfect balance of durability and softness. This yarn is excellent for cozy blankets and intricate granny square projects. Get inspired with included ebooks featuring patterns for every skill level. This kit is perfect for both crochet and knitting enthusiasts. What we like. This set offers a fantastic range of bright, multicolored yarn perfect for adding vibrancy to your projects. With over 1,300 yards, you have plenty to create many colorful items. If you love a rainbow of colors and want a versatile yarn for various crafts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The yarn is soft and easy to work with, making it ideal for beginners. It has a good weight and texture, which helps in creating even stitches. The colors are vibrant and consistent, adding a nice finish to projects. Number 3. INSCRAFT 113-piece crochet kit with yarn. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive crochet kit. It includes everything a beginner needs to get started on their crafting journey. Dive into a world of color with 40 vibrant shades, totaling 1,600 yards of premium acrylic yarn. Perfect for any project, big or small. Keep your supplies tidy and accessible with the included storage bag. Its transparent, waterproof design makes it easy to find what you need, wherever you go. This kit features 73 essential crochet accessories, including ergonomic hooks, knitting needles, and stitch markers. You'll have all the tools for comfortable and efficient crafting. Experience the joy of working with yarn that's soft, strong, and easy to handle. It's ideal for knitting, crochet, DIY crafts, and gift making. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a replacement or a full refund, no questions asked. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides an astonishing 40 colors, offering endless creative possibilities. It also comes with a massive 73-piece accessory set, ensuring you have every tool you need. If you want a complete, all in one package with a vast color selection and all the tools. This is the ultimate beginner's dream. What people say. This yarn is incredibly soft and easy to work with, making it perfect for beginners. The colors are vibrant and hold their dye well, even after washing. It doesn't split easily, which is a huge plus when you're still learning to knit. Number 2. CraftLab Beginner Knitting Kit. Ready to learn a new skill? This kit provides everything you need to get started with knitting. It's perfect for both adults and kids looking to create their first projects. Inside, you'll find 4 balls of lovely teal blue yarn, knitting needles, a yarn needle, and a helpful instruction booklet. All the essentials are included for your first knitting adventure. Our photo-illustrated booklet breaks down every step, from the very first knot to finishing your project. It's designed to make learning the fundamentals simple and clear. Need a little more guidance? Access our video tutorials to follow along and make learning even easier. It's a fun and enjoyable way to master knitting for everyone. This kit is perfect for beginners aged 8 and up, including teens and adults. We're confident you'll love it, but if you have any issues, just reach out to us. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for absolute beginners, providing everything needed to learn. It includes clear, illustrated instructions and access to video tutorials for extra support. If you are completely new to knitting and want a guided, easy learning experience with all materials included, this kit is ideal. What people say. This yarn is incredibly soft and easy to work with, perfect for beginners. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures online, making my projects look professional. It doesn't split easily, which is a huge plus when you're still learning crochet stitches. Number 1. Craftiloo Beginner Bunny Knitting and Crochet Kit. Embark on a creative journey with this all-inclusive kit. It's perfect for beginners wanting to learn loom knitting or crochet, providing everything you need to get started. This versatile set allows you to choose your preferred crafting technique. You'll have all the essentials, including soft yarn, stuffing, and tools, to create an adorable bunny plush. Designed for everyone, from kids to adults, this kit makes crafting simple and fun. With step-by-step instructions and video tutorials, even complete beginners can follow along easily. Create a soft bunny friend with all the necessary components. It includes yarn, stuffing, eyes, nose, and more, ensuring a rewarding crafting experience without needing prior sewing skills. Never crafted before? No problem. Our clear instructions and video guides walk you through every step. It's a stress-free way to learn yarn crafts at your own pace. Crafted with safety and ease in mind, every component is beginner-friendly. This kit is a top choice for a starter set and comes in a charming reusable tin, perfect for gifting. What we like. This kit offers the flexibility to learn both knitting and crochet, making it incredibly versatile. The included project is a charming plush bunny, which is fun and rewarding to create. If you are looking for a kit that teaches multiple techniques and results in an adorable finished product, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This yarn is incredibly soft and easy to work with, making it perfect for beginners. The color selection is beautiful and vibrant, and the yarn holds its shape well when knitted. It doesn't split easily, which is a huge plus for those new to knitting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.